the show. Today we're checking out these magnetic cables because I have a problem, and that is I'm a serial cable hoarder. Look at all these cables, they make a mess on my desk, and there's one solution for this. Apparently these are the tidiest. They're self-tidying, self-curling cables that's going to alleviate my woes. And I've also got USB-C as well as lightning, because you know everyone's going to be getting a new iPhone.
Oh my god, I'm so psyched. I'm about to open my iPhone. It's got bogies on it.
They're going to be switching from lightning to USB-C. So check this cable out. This one, it's USB-C to lightning. So you can transfer all of that stuff that you want to do. So first, let's open her up and let's see two things I want to see. Does it actually work? Is it going to self-tidy, or is it going to be dangling like a mess like these guys? And how does it perform? Magtame. You got lots of different editions. We got the silver, we got the black, and this one is magnetic charging data cable. So it doesn't just charge, it has data inside. Look at this inside. It's already magnetized and ready to go. I'm going to unwind it like this, all crazy. Now let's see, will it do the magic trick? Will it do it? It's not like the advert, it doesn't work that well, but there is a bit of magnetism there, so it does curl up really easy. So if you did want to just roll it into a cable like that, it's a lot easier. There you go, that's how you do it. You just stretch it out, and then you get your hand, you wrap it around your hand like that. And then once it's in your hand, it's in its little compact form. With a traditional cable, because there's no magnetism there, if I did try to coil it together, you go like that, and it'll just break apart. Let's try it again one more time. So put it there and it breaks apart. But see, here's the thing, this guy, when you do wrap it together, it stays in place. One more time. Curl this one up. You put it down. It expands like crazy. So that is the difference. This one is nice and tidy, but how does it perform? We've got USB-C here, and we've also got USB-C to lightning. This is the modern tech for the latest iPhones that will be banned in France soon enough after they test them for RF. And once again, that one still works. So we got a couple of different colors here. We've got black, and we've got kind of like a grayish, officially it's called silver, but it's more like old school, kind of like if you work in an office job maybe a few decades ago, this is the kind of shirts you will be wearing. Let's see how fast they go. So for the performance test, I've got right here the fastest SSD I have in-house, and that is a FireCuda by Seagate. It is an M2 super fast SSD, but it's limited by this enclosure. This goes 10 gigabits per second. Let's see if this data cable can handle. All right, so we're getting 40 megabytes a second. So we're not getting that full USB 3 speeds. That should go up to 10 gigabits a second. It's plugged directly into the Mac, so I don't know what's going on with this drive. To be safe, I've got the second fastest drive I own, and that's the Crucial. This is an expensive X8, so this is a fast SSD. Let's see how this one performs. And again, we're getting 40 megabytes a second. So I gotta say, on performance is subpar. It's nowhere close than a traditional USB-C nice cable. But on the fun part of magnetism and keeping it coiled up in your bag when you're traveling around, just say you're out and about, kind of fun, a fun thing to play around with. All right, guys, so that was a quick review of the data cable magnetic charging from Magtame. As you can see, it's still holding its form. Magnetism still works. Whoa, that's pretty fun. Performance-wise, it's not the fastest cable. It's slower than USB-C 3. It's more like USB 2 speeds. But I guess if you're out and about and traveling, maybe speed is not your most important metric. Maybe it's all about organization. Look at that, I coiled it back in. Wow, 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 wow. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And I hope you guys found this useful and enjoyed the show.